The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is January 7. Our gospel will be coming from St. Mark chapter 6 verses 34 to 44. It's all about the feeding of 5,000 people. After Jesus preached so many people, he said they were like sheep without a shepherd. And so he fed them with 5 loaves and 2 fishes. After feeding them with the Word of God, Jesus would like them to be fed in their bodily needs. Isn't it? That's who we are. We are spirit and body. We need to feed the entire being. We need to form the integral human person. And that's the concern of Jesus. We have to be concerned on the whole of our being, because it is hypocrisy to be concerned with soul, but we are not concerned with the body. And it's also a hypocrisy to be concerned with the body and not to be concerned with the soul. Because in philosophy we say we are embodied subject, body and soul. The salvation is for both the body and soul, because we have been created by God, body and soul. Today, the gospel is reminding us all the mercy of God is towards the total human being, the being that is so much complicated because we tend to compartmentalize our human existence. Inasmuch as we are concerned with the body, let us also be concerned with our soul. And as much as we want to save our soul, we also have to save our body, because body and soul will be reunited at the time of resurrection, and together with Jesus' resurrected body and soul, we shall join with him in heaven. God bless.